Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if coming across an issue with photos staying as a background process on Windows. So this issue where the application does not close itself even after being closed, just minimize to the back. This can be seen in the Task Manager where the app moves from apps to the background process without actually shutting down. One of the possible causes could be changes in the app's behavior due to updates, bug in the app that prevent it from properly closing process once it's no longer in use, and app files are corrupted or incomplete. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to close photos using Task Manager. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a taskbar. So dito lang sa ating computer taskbar, so dito sa blank space area ay kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. And once na open mo na tong Task Manager, so dito lang sa Processes tab ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung photos, or dito sa searching address bar dito sa gitna ay pwede natin yan i-search. So type mo lang dito yung photos and automatic naman na mag-appear kagad dito. So ang gagawin natin dito is to kailangan lang i-end task. So select and right click and kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung end task. Alright, so once nagawa mo na dito sa Task Manager, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to repair or reset the Photos app. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung apps. At dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-tap dito yung installed apps. So under dito sa installed apps, makikita mo dito yung search app. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung photos. And automatic naman na mag-appear kagad dito Photos Microsoft Corporations. Ang next step dito lang sa right side ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung tatlong dot. And then select mo lang dito yung advanced option. And dito sa kanyang advanced option, so scroll down. And dito lang sa reset. So if this app isn't working right, then we can try to repair it. So kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung repair and wait natin na ma-complete yung repair process. And then after dito sa repair process, if this app still isn't working right, and then kailangan lang itong i-reset. So itap mo lang dito yung reset. And then this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So i-click mo lang dito yung reset and wait natin na ma-complete yung reset process. Ayan, so once na-complete na dito sa reset procedure, and the other solution na pwede natin gawin is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Store App. And automatic naman na mag-appear kagad dito, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once nag-pop up na itong Windows Store Apps, ang next step ay makikita mo dito yung advanced. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung apply repairs automatically. So, i-check mo lang yung box. Ang next step ay dito sa baba, i-tap mo lang dito yung next. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Yan. So, once okay na siya, and then kailangan mo lang i-follow dito na ating gagawin para maayos yung problem. Alright, so after dito sa Windows Store Apps, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa Start Menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix photos staying as a background process on Windows. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.